Now we are in the gardens, and we're going to take a drive from the gardens back towards the southern suburbs. Past the Cape Town Central Fire Station, just on our left hand side. We're going to follow the M3 all the way back to the southern suburbs. On a Sunday morning in July 2024. This is the Philip Kogasana Drive. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos, and even hit that notification bell, just to help the channel grow and to encourage us to head out there and explore Cape Town some more. So we got the slopes of Devil's Peak on our right hand side, and dropping down towards the Devil's Peak suburb. We've got a strong northwesterly wind blowing, bringing in yet another cold front to Cape Town. After a week of rain, the wettest winter we've experienced in Cape Town in many years. Some of the biggest storms, actually, in many years. Had a massive storm during the week. Tuesday, early hours of Tuesday morning. Gale force winds. The winds were scary. Caused a lot of damage. Past Rudelblum Road takes you down towards Woodstock, and if you branch off left, it takes you on N2 towards Somerset West, gives you access to the Cape Town International Airport. Got the Critter Hospital just on the left hand side. Hospital Hill. Yeah, we are approaching Rhodes Avenue off ramp. Takes you down to Mowbray and also towards the M4. Past Mustard's Mill. And yeah, we have Woolsack Drive. Takes you into Rosebank, gives you access to the University of Cape Town, and takes you down to the M4. I got the university actually on both sides of the road, but mostly on the right hand side. On a gloomy July Sunday morning, about 11 degrees Celsius, and that's cold for Cape Town. And it doesn't get much warmer than that during the day. Might go to about 13 or 14 degrees. Past the Princess Anne Avenue off ramp. M146 takes you into Rondebosch. Now we are actually in Newlands. Just below Table Mountain. And you got your access, all your walks that start from here. Takes you up Table Mountain, Skeleton Gorge. So the M3 is one of the major access roads that runs south-north across the peninsula. Takes you from the deep south and into the city of Cape Town. Take a left turn here, takes you on Newlands Avenue, the M63. Takes you into Rondebosch. Take a right turn on the M63, takes you on Rhodes Avenue, gives you access to the Kirstenbosch Gardens and also to Hut Bay. Branch off here on M33 and takes you into Claremont. Bishop's Court on our right hand side and Upper Claremont on our left hand side. across Upper Bishop's Court Road and Strubens Road if you go left, which takes you to Claremont. And yeah, we have Upper Tokai Road that gives you access into Bishop's Court. And if you take a left-hand turn, yeah, onto the Trovato link, gives you access into Wynberg. The M155. Now we're going to roll on the M3 in the Muizenberg direction, on top of Wynberg Hill. Now we start dropping down. This is was known as the Blue Route Highway. This section. Gives you access to Constantia, Meadoridge, Bergvliet, Tokai, and at the end of it to Lakeside. Here we have Constantia Main Road, M41, gives you access to Constantia, Hart Bay, and Wynberg and Plumstead. Constantia on our right hand side, and we have Meadoridge on our left hand side, approaching the M38 Kendall Road that gives you access to Meadoridge and also Constantia. Kendall Road, the M38. Past the Ladies Mile access, the M39, that gives you access to Bergvliet. Takes you down to the M4 if you go left, and also Constantia. under the Fir Grove Road Bridge that runs into Constantia from Bergvliet. I got the Kaiser River wetland on both sides of the highway here. Tokai. We're going to branch off on the M40 Tokai Road and take us into Tokai. That takes us to Tokai Road. And yeah, we are back in the southern suburbs. About 15 kilometers from the center of Cape Town, about 5 kilometers away from Muizenberg. So Tokai Road gives you access to Constantia, also gives you access to Kirstenhof, the M4 and Retreat. And yeah, we have the Blue Ridge Shopping Centre on the left hand side. One of the biggest shopping centres in the South Peninsula. The suburb of Kirstenhof on our right hand side. And here we are approaching the M4, the main road. Take a right turn, takes you towards Muizenberg, a left turn on M4 in the Wynberg direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's go explore Cape Town some more.